Today I wanted to show you guys a very wearable blue eyeliner look. This is such a nice simple summer look that anybody can wear. If you're afraid to wear colors like I kind of am, you can do this so easily. With that said, let's go ahead and begin. First, I will apply my eye primer. I use the MAC Prep and Prime 24 Hour. This lasts so long throughout the day, and the product itself lasts a very long time, and it never ever dries out or smells bad. Next, we will be taking this very light color in the Glam palette by Natasha Denona and applying that to set the primer. I am applying this shade called Bonne, and I am applying that all over my crease from the end of the eye crease to the beginning of the eye crease, so it is all over the crease. Next, I'm applying the shade Smoke, which is a darker brown, and I'm applying that lower than the color earlier, but I'm still applying that like all over. I am starting from the outer corner just to kind of give me that shape that I want. And with whatever that's left over in the brush, I'm gonna apply that into the inner part of my crease. So the color is like all over, creating a gradient. I went back with my blending brush just to kind of blend everything so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, back to that transition color, which is like a super gray cream color. I think it's a little too gray for my liking, but it works. I'm applying that all over the lid wherever the other colors were not at. And I am just using a patting motion. Doing a patting motion. Okay, next I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Color Magic Liner Duo. It is this one that is super blue metallic. I think I am going to make this blue liner a little bit thicker so that I would have some room for the black one later. Next, I'm going to take in Glot the gel eyeliner in 77 with Sigma brush E06, and I'm gonna give this eye look some depth. Just take your time with this. Don't worry about going too fast. Just make sure you put the black one right underneath the blue so the blue still peaks. I don't know what it is about the Sigma brushes for eyeliners. These are just so perfect for whatever you want to do. It is very, very, very nice. I love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this Sigma E05. This brush helps make the end more sharp. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury 5-minute ready, get ready to go thing using the eyes, the golden glow eyes. It's a nice shade of gold, and I'm gonna run that all along the lower lash line. It actually kind of looks a little warmer than I thought it was gonna be. What if I put this shade right here on top of it just to kind of tone down the warmness? And I think I'm gonna use that color also for the inner corner. This shade right here for brow bone. Actually, I think I want to use that shade for the inner corner instead, because it's brighter. Alright, now I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Petunia shade from the Tartelette Blush and Bloom palette. If you guys are interested in a full review of this blush, you can check that out here. I think the Petunia shade will be a nice color to complement the warmth of the crease. It definitely looks more pink than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Lady Bold in the Bad Beauty. By the way, this lip liner feels so smooth. It's almost like a lipstick in a pencil form. I'm not sure if I should use I Need a Nude Sammy or I Need a Nude Andrea. Okay, we'll try Andrea just because it's lighter. This lipstick by Natasha Denona feels very buttery. It is very creamy. It's so weird that it's so creamy, but it lasts so long throughout the day. Okay, how about I dibby dab in the Sammy just to see how it looks like. This shade is actually really good with this eyeshadow look, you guys. I think we have a winner. Okay guys, we have made it. We have finished and this is our result. I'm actually really surprised at how the eye look goes well with orange, because I was not sure what to wear with this, but it just matches really great with the orange color. It's very ocean blue and very sunshiny. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you are looking to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is another simple summer look with a bright red orange lip. Check that out and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.